WLD might be the only coin I'm actually buying on this dip today, because we can see strong momentum on RSI, strong momentum on Bitcoin's RSI. We can see that shorts are very too strong, 86, and when they're strong as like that, the market is just crashing, we normally have a reversal. By the way, this video is no financial advice, just a random dude on the internet. And also here we can see that VWAP is curving up on the daily chart. So what I would expect here is buying here 1-2 days of green candles. That's what I'm expecting right here, on this week, on this exact week right here. That's very obvious for me. There's so many reasons for that. Look at these 600k tokens. Also, that's around $1 million of WT just opened in the last 3 hours. This is the 3-hour chart. So I'm definitely very happy with that. Let me know your thoughts on WLD. We're at 274 grand on meme coins on VOOX. You can find more info on my meme coin course in the link in the description down below. I'll be updating some future stuff there as well, if there's a lot of new people joining. And yeah, love you with all my heart. Hit the like button. If this video gets 10 likes, I'll make a WLD video tomorrow as well.